Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best LiPo battery charger, selected for their battery support and easy controls that keep your batteries ready for drones, RC cars, planes, and more without slowing down your next adventure. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. ToolkitRC M6D LiPo Battery Charger. The ToolkitRC M6D LiPo battery charger is an excellent option for RC hobbyists who need a powerful and compact dual-channel charging solution. Designed for toy model cars, drones, and RC vehicles, this charger supports 1S to 6S lithium batteries and delivers up to 500-watt charging performance. One of its strongest advantages is the intelligent dual-channel design, allowing users to charge 2 batteries simultaneously without sacrificing efficiency. The compact body makes it highly portable, while the clean interface provides easy access to charging settings and battery information. The charger also supports balance charging, which helps maintain battery health and improves long-term performance. Build quality is solid, with durable PC plastic construction and a modern design that feels premium in hand. The display is bright and informative, making it easy to monitor voltage, current, and charging status during operation. RC enthusiasts will appreciate the fast charging speed and accurate battery management system that ensures safe operation. CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications further add confidence in reliability and safety standards.
Number 2. SKYRC B6 Neo LiPo Battery Charger. The SKYRC B6 Neo LiPo Battery Charger is a compact yet surprisingly powerful charger designed for hobbyists who want portability without compromising performance. Despite being smaller than a credit card, the B6 Neo delivers up to 200 watts charging power through DC input and 80 watts through modern USB Type-C PD input. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for users who want to charge batteries at home, in the workshop, or while traveling. The lightweight ABS body and stylish design give it a modern appearance that stands out from traditional RC chargers. It supports a wide variety of battery types, including LiPo, Li-ion, LiHV, Ni-Mech, Ni-CD, and PB batteries, making it extremely versatile for different RC applications. The color display is bright and user-friendly, helping beginners navigate settings easily while still offering advanced controls for experienced users. Another highlight is its enhanced safety system, which protects against overcharging, overheating, and incorrect connections. The balance charging capability ensures stable charging performance and healthier batteries over time.
Number 3. SKYRC D200 Neo LiPo Battery Charger. The SKYRC D200 Neo LiPo Battery Charger is a premium multifunction charger built for advanced RC hobbyists who demand high performance and versatility. Featuring dual independent charging ports, the D200 Neo can efficiently charge 2 battery packs simultaneously, making it ideal for racers, drone pilots, and serious RC users. Its charging capability is highly impressive, offering up to 200 watts AC power and a massive 800 watts through DC input. This allows rapid charging of high-capacity batteries while maintaining excellent efficiency. One of the standout features is its ability to function as a digital power supply, providing adjustable voltage and current settings for additional electronics applications. The charger supports nearly every popular battery chemistry, including LiPo, LiHV, Li-ion, Li-Fe, Ni-Mem, Ni-CD, and PB batteries. Safety protection systems such as short circuit, overload, and reverse polarity protection help ensure reliable operation during intensive use.
Number 4. HOTA P6 T240 LiPo Battery Charger. The HOTA P6 T240 LiPo battery charger is widely regarded as one of the best compact dual-channel chargers available for RC enthusiasts. Combining high power output with advanced charging technology, the P6 T240 offers up to 600-watt DC charging performance and supports an impressive range of battery chemistries. The dual-channel system allows users to charge 2 batteries independently, while combined charging mode provides even higher charging flexibility for demanding setups. One of its strongest features is regenerative discharge capability, which efficiently transfers energy back to the power source instead of wasting it as heat. This makes it highly efficient compared to many competing chargers. The 2.4-inch IPS color screen is bright, sharp, and easy to navigate, giving the charger a premium user experience. Balance charging performance is excellent with up to 1000 mA balance current, helping maintain battery health and improve long-term reliability. The compact size and lightweight construction make it ideal for travel and field charging setups. It also includes modern USB-A and USB-C outputs, allowing users to charge phones or other accessories directly from the charger.
Number 5. UP S6AC LiHV LiPo Battery Charger. The UP S6AC LiHV LiPo Battery Charger is a practical charging solution designed for users who need to charge multiple LiPo or LiHV batteries simultaneously. One of its most appealing features is the ability to connect and charge up to 6 batteries at once, making it extremely useful for drone pilots and RC hobbyists with several battery packs. The built-in LCD display provides clear charging information and helps users monitor battery status during operation. Unlike many DC-only chargers, the UP S6AC includes AC power support, which makes it more convenient for home charging without requiring an external power supply. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport for field use or hobby workshops. Its straightforward design makes it beginner-friendly, while still offering enough functionality for experienced users who need efficient multi-battery charging. Safety performance is decent, with stable charging control that helps reduce the risk of overcharging or overheating batteries. Although it lacks some advanced smart features found in premium chargers, it remains highly practical for everyday use. And that wraps up the top 5 best LiPo battery charger. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.